The holidays are here, and if you are not a member at BJs Wholesale Club, you're going to want to be one this holiday season. It really is that one-stop shop for everything on your list, from fresh foods to all the gifts that you need. BJs, they're thinking about their members. They're making it so convenient to shop. You can shop at BJs.com. You could shop in club. You have curbside pickup, which is great. You also could shop online and pick up in club. And another great benefit too, you could also do same-day delivery on your groceries. You know, they also have their exclusive Wellesley Farm brand, everything you need but that value, and you're going to love it. Gifting is very top of mind for so many right now, and everyone on your list, you can check them right off of shopping at BJ's. You know, they have the hottest tech items. They have items for the cook in your life. They have the grill and air fryer combo, which everybody is buzzing about. And BJ's has their top 10 awesomest toys. And BJ's has gift sets that are already pre-wrapped, and BJ's has decorations. They have garlands and wreaths and poinsettias. So really to just amp up that fun and that festiveness for the holiday season. But you can check everything out. Head to bjs.com/holiday shop. And again, everyone, happy holidays.